Today, I'm here with your teacher, Miss Stansfield. Say hi to Miss Stansfield, everyone.
Hi, guys.
We're here to tell you safety tip number 73. Can you say safety tip number 73? Miss Stansfield is a mommy and a teacher. She's an expert on safety tip number 73. Miss Stansfield, why is it important to ask your mommy and daddy before you use the kitchen to cook?
Well, there's a couple of things, Officer Buckles, on why it's important. Number one, there's a lot of things that can make a big mess in your kitchen, and you don't want to make a big mess for moms and dads. Number two, you're using things that can be hot. You don't want to burn yourself or cause a fire.
That's true. That's true.
That's true. And number three, you'd want to make sure all your food is cooked all the way through, or you can get really sick.
That's true. One time I ate a hot dog, and it gave me a bellyache.
We don't want you guys sick.
And remember, kids, talking to your parents before you make lunch on online school is not just a good idea. What is it, Miss Stansfield?
It's the law.
It's the law.